Viruses and malware are getting smarter every day, but so are antivirus tools. In this video, we're breaking down how TotalAV's behavior-based detection can catch threats before they harm your system, even one nobody's seen before. Most antivirus software uses a database of known virus signatures. This works for old threats, but what about brand new ones? That's where behavior-based detection comes in. It doesn't rely on matching a file to a list. Instead, it watches how files behave in real time. TotalAV monitors the activity of programs as they run, looking for suspicious behaviors like modifying lots of files in seconds, attempting to hide processes, sending data to unknown servers. If it spots behavior that looks dangerous, it can block the program instantly, even if that exact virus has never been seen before. That means you get zero-day protection, defending against threats from the very moment they're released. Cybercriminals don't get a head start, and you don't have to wait for a database update to stay safe. Let's say you open an email attachment that looks normal, but the program inside suddenly tries to encrypt all of your documents. TotalAV's behavior-based detection spots that activity, shuts it down, and stops ransomware in its tracks. That's the power of behavior-based detection. It's proactive, fast, and always learning. If you want to see how TotalAV can help protect your devices, check the link in the description. Don't forget to like and follow for more easy cybersecurity tips. Stay safe out there.